Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Don't cheat. If you are not happy, just leave. It is always good to be connected with people who fill you with positivity. I don't know what you want from me. I always try my best to make you happy. Love you, only you, very, very much. Every day, more and more. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you will look back and realize they were the big things. Smile for the one who wants to see you crying. Cut out anything that doesn't add value to your life. Notice the people who make an effort to stay in your life. Be yourself. People don't have to like you and you don't have to care. People always choose to break the kindest hearts. Never hurt the person whose intention was to make you happy. Look back and thank God. Look forward and trust God. Life is short. Spend it with people who make you laugh and feel loved. Don't allow others to control the direction of your life. I can't go back in the past and change my wrong, but I can go in the future and make life bright. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. The best people comes unexpectedly. Being beautiful isn't about looks. Revenge is not my thing, I just ignore. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return. Sometimes we are full of feelings and lack of words. Dear problem, give me some discount, I am your regular customer. Many people never get what they want because they are too busy holding things they are supposed to let go. I wake up every morning believing today is going to be better than yesterday. Some people can't be blocked, deleted, forgotten because they have reserved a special place in our heart. And sometimes I fail to answer the question of my own heart. Some memories can never be shared with anyone because they are unexplainable. Some people love you but don't tell you. Some people tell you but don't love you. Sorry. Sorry is just another way of saying you are more important than my ego. You can't be strong all the time. Sometimes you just need to be alone and let your tears out. Send good energy to the souls of others so they never forget the beauty of yours. You don't have to search for a miracle. It will find you. Never stop believing in hope because miracles happen every day. The journey to be whole is the journey of a lifetime. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.